Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a different kind of video. Today I'm doing a DIY, my very first DIY. Come on, milestone. But yeah, y'all, as y'all can tell from the title, today I'm showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful backdrop, this beautiful grass wall. I did do a little spin on it. I did my own little thing, you feel me? Had to do something kind of different. I just got these little flowers behind me, these little lights behind me. You see it, you see it, you see it, you see it. I'm so happy, y'all. Like, I'm surprised that I did this. I did that. Period. All right, but you can do it too. All right, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to achieve this backdrop. So I'm not gonna talk no more. We're gonna get straight into this video. Let's go. All right, y'all. So yeah, basically this wall behind me is what my grass wall is gonna go on. I just like, I don't know. It's midnight. It's like almost 1 o'clock, and I didn't have any time to put this grass wall together other than right now. Like right now. So that's what I'm about to do. Since I finally have the free time in my day to put it up, I'm gonna put it up. And yeah, my baby's asleep, the house is asleep, so I'm gonna just put the grass wall up and make it cute. I'm gonna make it fun. And this just has my little cubicle divider and some more crap right there that I threw down. We're just gonna get straight into it, and hopefully it comes out cute. Hopefully I have everything that I need. They like Lakia, why they sleeping on you so hard? So now that everything is finally out of the way, I'm going to give you guys a rundown of what exactly I used for my grass wall, starting with this grass wall itself. I bought off of Amazon, the 16-piece 20 by 20 inch. I'm going to insert a picture on the side to give you guys more detail. I also use these drywall picture hangers, and I use my hammer to put them inside the wall. I was going to use my screws, but I didn't have a screwdriver, so I couldn't use the freaking screws. And to complete the grass wall alone, I use these zip ties just to tie them all together. Y'all, so originally I was going to use these nails to hang the grass wall with. But I had the bright idea to use these dry wall hangers. They're like for picture frames, and it says in the box that it holds up to like 25 pounds. I'm holding up the grass panels, and they're not even that heavy, to be honest. It should be able to be held up by these dry wall hangers, so that's what I'm about to hang them up with. And we're gonna see if it's a fail or not. I've seen a lot of people put up a grass wall in their rooms. Like, I've watched a lot of other videos before attempting this myself. And I have never came across anybody's video that used drywall hangers instead of like a nail or instead of staples, which I wasn't about to use staples, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm too lazy. And it just seems like using nails is just like the easier route to go. If that doesn't work, then I'm just going to go ahead and try and use the nails and just hammer them or drill them in the wall. So we'll see. So before going into detail, you guys see me doing a test run with the drywall hanger, and I'm just going to hammer it into the wall and see like the sturdiness of it, which it was good, it was sturdy. And then I'm just going to hang up one of the grass wall panels and see how that works. Hang the panel onto the drywall hanger. I just use little empty squares in the back of the panel, and I just try to get it like in the middle, and I failed. Yep, I did fall. My life is a joke. I'm dead. So what I did is I hooked the little space in the back of the panel right onto that hook, and it works, y'all. It was good to go. If you're a perfectionist like I am and you want that thing to be like perfectly straight, fix anything that does not look right then and there. Don't wait, y'all, because then your grass wall will be crooked. So I fixed it because what you fix now, you want to fix later. And this is how easy it is to just simply hook a panel right on the drywall hook. Here you see me going through the same process again, just to get my grass panels to go across very equally. So I used 3 drywall hangers total just to get 3 grass panels to go across totally. To connect the panels going downwards, I started to use the little snaps that comes on the panels themselves, but that was very time consuming. So I ended up using the zip ties and I like them way more, but I'm still going to show you guys like how the snaps worked, and like I'm going to give you guys a close-up, but I didn't really like that way. So I just used the zip ties that came with the actual grass wall. This is what I mean by little holes at the ends where you can just snap the grass walls into place just like this. But yeah, you could do this or you could use the zip ties. Like I said, it's very time consuming and I prefer the zip ties. Alright, so long story short, I had enough of snapping them little things together, so we're gonna go with them zip ties and just let them do what they do. I didn't film myself actually like hooking the panels together with the zip tie. Just know if it makes this sound, then you did it right. Just know that. So overall, so far, this is how half of my wall is looking. We're gonna speed this up real fast, real fast. Now I'm just going to take more zip ties and clean up any imperfections in my grass wall, like the little spaces that you see. Just going to zip tie those together and close that better than what they are. And yeah. And after cleaning it up, now my grass wall is good to go. I don't see any spaces, so now I'm just going to cut out a part at the bottom for my outlet. To cut around the piece that covered my outlet, I really just grabbed some scissors and I just got to cutting. I didn't measure it, I didn't do anything strategically, I just did what I felt was necessary and where I felt I should start cutting. So I just looked at the perimeter of my outlet and I just cut away. And this is how my cutout piece turned out. So for the most part, this is how my grass wall looks without all the flowers and the lights. If you don't want to do any extra work or any other kind of decorations, then you're all set to go. Now I'm going to show you guys how I added my flowers and my lights. To add my lights and my flowers, I use this double-sided tape and these umbrella light clips, and I will also show you guys right here where I got my lights from, which were from Amazon. And of course, I got my flowers from Amazon. I'm going to upload a picture right here to show you guys more description. And you can find all the information down in my description box. So we're going to throw the flowers right on this grass wall. So the flower placement is really up to you all. I wanted my flowers to look like they were pouring out. So I just kind of packed it full in the corner of my grass wall. And I kind of spread it out as I got further away from the corner. And I just placed the pink and the white flowers just wherever I felt like they should just go. Not only do I like this brand of flowers that I bought off of Amazon for the way I can just easily puncture it through the grass wall, but it comes with these little leaf stems and it adds like a little more pop to your grass wall, so I can just easily puncture it straight through there. And it's just like a more rosy kind of effect, or like a more natural grassy garden type of effect. So I really like that. And yeah, I really recommend these flowers off of Amazon. So now that I'm done with my flower placements, I'm going to take the tape and I'm going to put them right directly on these clips. And so I'm going to take these lights that were on this part of my wall and I'm going to transfer them hanging right above and over my grass wall. So I'm taking that same little clip that I just showed you guys. I'm just going to line them across the top of where my grass wall is, and that's just where my lights will hang. And y'all, excuse Bridgerton just playing right in the background of my screen. I was like, y'all, that was such a good show. It's crazy, y'all. It's so crazy. If you didn't watch Bridgerton, go watch Bridgerton, because they about to come on to season 2, sis, and it was so good. Now that I have all of my clips in place, I'm just taking my lights and I'm just hooking them onto the hooks themselves, and just like trying to get the placements really how I want them to be, making sure it doesn't like overlap my roses, my flowers, and yeah. Now that I have my lights all hooked, I just started to like weave the lights into the actual grass wall, if that makes sense. Like I tried to tuck them behind the little buds on the grass wall because I don't like how the lines just stick out. So I tried to hide those as best as I could, and I will show you guys how the end results turned out. If you made it to the very end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see any other kind of DIYs, any other video ideas that you have in mind down below. How you just like the outcome of this backdrop that you see here. And yes, I did add some LED lights behind my TV just for a little more pop, and just to bring my room a little bit more to life. Like I said, y'all, my room is super small, and it's like white walls everywhere. All I have is like this gray accent with the matching headboard. So I just wanted to add a little bit of pizzazz. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.